Barco's OL series of rear projection video walls combine the typical benefits of LED-based systems, such as low maintenance and saturated colors, with unique technologies that make LED rear projected video walls truly ready for use in 24/7 applications. Barco's LED video walls have been developed based on a long heritage of LED expertise. Barco has been manufacturing LED signage since the 90s. Today, the company processes more than 2 million LEDs every week. With LED-lit video wall systems, images are generated by red, green and blue LEDs. All possible colors are mixed by the DLP chip. A precise projection lens projects the light onto the screen. LED illumination has a long lifetime and a predictable behavior. LEDs with sufficient cooling typically offer a lifetime of more than 5 years with 24/7 operation. Barco's OL video walls have arrived on the market as the most mature and robust LED-lit rear projection system so far. By improving on the existing LED state-of-the-art, Barco has succeeded in developing a video wall with the warmest colors, the coolest engine and the smallest footprint.